Before we begin, I want you to know that this video is the continuation of the HiggsField AI introduction video. So I highly recommend you to watch the first part by clicking on the I button up here, and then revisit this video. In this video, we are going to explore different options under Image section of HiggsField website. Let's begin with Image section. We will go through Create Image, Sole ID Character, Draw to Edit, Fashion Factory, PhotoDump Studio features with an example for each. Click on Create Image link. Here, at first place, you'll see a plus button. This lets you upload a reference image. The AI uses this image as a base to create new variations. This selection is optional. Next, there's a prompt section. Here you can give clear instructions to the AI to generate your desired image. Let's enter the prompt. Then you can choose from multiple AI models provided by different sources. In this video, we'll use one model and we'll explore other models in upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. After that, you have the PhotoDump feature. When you upload a single photo using PhotoDump, the AI creates around 26 variations. Each version has a different aesthetic or style. This is a really cool feature, and we'll explore it later in the video. Next, you'll find the aspect ratio setting. Right next to it is the image quality option. Then comes the prompt enhance toggle. If you turn it on, the AI will automatically refine your prompt for better results. You can also set the number of images to generate. It can range from 1 to 4. Next, there's the character selection option. We'll cover character generation with an example in a few moments. Finally, there's the template or style selection option. You can use existing style or leave it to general to create new with prompt input. With Sole Model, you get 25 daily free credits to use. So, you can just log in and start using these free credits. For now, let's generate the image by clicking on Generate button. You can try this yourself and get better results with a well-written prompt. Expand the Image section and click on Sole ID Character. Here, you need to upload multiple images of the person for whom you're creating the character. Make sure the photos are taken from different angles. This helps the AI generate a more accurate and realistic character. Click on Upload Images to add your photos. Then, give your character a unique name and click Generate. Once the process is complete, you'll see the generated character in the list. We'll use this character later in the video. Expand the Image section and click on Draw to Edit. Here, you can modify the image by giving instruction through drawing or typing on the image itself. Click on Create Blank. Now you can see blank page. You can upload an image by clicking the Upload icon. Let's upload a sketched tiger, and if you want, you can write on the sketch, using text icon to modify accordingly. You see the image now? Beautifully done. Expand the Image section and click on Fashion Factory. Choose any desired template from the given list of templates and click on Next. Choose the character you created earlier. Click on Generate. Here you can see the multiple images generated. You check them, and if you don't like them, you can click on Retry button to generate again. I will click on Next button to move on. Here you can change the outfit if you don't like the current one. Let's move with this. Click on Next. Now, AI is generating our photo set. Let's have a look. You see all the images are with a different style with same outfit. You can download all of them and choose the best among them. Impressive feature, but next feature, PhotoDump Studio, is more impressive. Expand the Image section and click on PhotoDump Studio. You upload a single photo and the AI generates around 26 variations, and each version has a different aesthetic or style. Choose the character for which you want to generate PhotoDump. Click on Generate. You see here, all the generated images are of totally different in outfits, style, background, etc. You can download all of them and choose the best among them. It's just awesome. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will explore video section of HiggsField AI. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe.